Number 9, for h of x equals x minus 1 over x cubed, what expression makes for a makes the limit of x approaching infinity, h of x equal a correct? Again, what happens to y as x approaches the right for this equation? Now we're going to graph this, but again, kind of using the same thing, lines that as x goes to infinity, infinity minus 1 really isn't going to change things. It's such a large number, and this is infinity cubed. So basically what we're saying is x approaches infinity, this is going to be x over x cubed, which is going to be very similarly going to be equal to 1 over x squared. Now what would happen is this number gets really, really large. Well, just think about it. If you have 1 divided by 2, you have 0.5. If you have 1 divided by 10, it's 0.1. 1 divided by 100 is 0.01. You can see this number gets smaller and smaller. So as this gets larger and larger, it's an inverse relationship. That's why they call it reciprocal. And so as this number gets larger and larger towards infinity, the overall number gets smaller and smaller. So this will approach 0. It should. So we're going to check the graph. And we should have 0 here for our answer. Now let's go to the graph and check it out and see. So I'll pull up my graph here. And we're going to change what we just did a second ago. And we're going to do a new fraction. This time it's going to be x minus 1. The x did not. All right, let's try this again. X minus 1 over x cubed. And press enter. And as you can see, this graph, it looks like it's going to approach infinity. And we could zoom out, and you would still see, as I zoom out, that this graph will still be approaching infinity as you go further and further right. For that reason, since what's happening to y is what we're wanting to know, the y approaches 0. This is the y-axis. We're approaching the 0 point as we go to the right. So this is the right answer.